How to rename voice memos on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can rename voice memos on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to rename voice memos on your iPhone, all you have to do is, let's just go ahead and then open the memo application over here. And let's just say that you happen to take a certain recording over here, and now you went ahead and recorded a certain voice recording. Now you go ahead and then end that recording, and here you can see by default the name is called new recording. Now what do you do if you want to rename it? To rename it, you just tap the three dots option that you can find next to that memo, and now here you'll find the option called edit recording. Tap on edit recording option, and now you just want to make sure to tap on the name and then just give it a new name that you would like to use. Tap on the done option, tap on done, and the name will get successfully renamed. This way you can rename your voice memos on your iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.